Hi guys, welcome to ICLS. My name is Oliver. So today we are going to have a look at HLA Hart's explanation and understanding of the internal and the external points of view when it comes to rule following. Now, in order to illustrate this, Hart uses the example of a game of chess. Chess players know and understand the rules of the game, and they comply and follow these rules while playing the game. So for example, when moving the queen, you would know as to what that move entails. And Hart also says that within the internal point of view, there is what is known as a critical reflective attitude. Now this amounts to criticism and self-criticism. So for instance, if I were to deviate from the set standards of the game, then other players should criticize me, and subsequently I need to criticize myself as well. Now this critical reflective attitude is embedded in the internal point of view. Now Hart also says there is what is known as an external point of view. The external point of view is similar to habitual obedience. It is where you don't really understand what is expected of you, you do not know the standards that is required of you, and you simply comply with observable characteristics or behavior of those around you. So, for example, when it comes to rule following, Hart clearly states that this is the same standard that is adopted. So, officials, for instance, within a given legal system need to properly know and understand what the rules are and the depth and the breadth of these rules, and they need to know how to deal with those who deviate from these set patterns and standards. So officials need to have an internal point of view with a critical reflective attitude. When it comes to citizens, Hart is more lenient on this. Hart says that citizens can either have an internal or an external point of view. He says it would be desirable if all citizens have an internal point of view, but due to the complexities of law, he states that it would not be possible for all citizens to properly know and understand what all the laws and the standards of these laws are. So hence he says citizens can adopt either an internal or an external point of view. So in a nutshell, the internal point of view is where you properly, clearly know and understand the standards and what is expected of you. The external point of view is where you just comply with what everyone else is doing and you don't really have a proper understanding of what is required of you. Now, I hope this has been helpful to understand this concept of law. Thank you.